To Bull Bay, St. Andrew now, where the security forces have sprung into action, casting a net on the area to bring a gang war in the community under control. The war, which has been ongoing since last year, has claimed more than a dozen lives. The hope now is that with the security forces in place, calm will return. But some residents do not want to see the government getting involved. TVJ's Kalisha Williams has that story.
It looks like a community under siege.
Helicopter we start come this morning, a circle around the place with some big light coming at the yard, search down the whole place, I go round all through the bush, them everybody, and when they look, then still not find no one.
Then this. Dozens of Jamaica Defense Force soldiers in the valleys of Bull Bay, St. Andrew on Thursday, hunting for criminals and setting up camp. It is clear they have no intention of leaving anytime soon.
This area has been on the radar for some time. There has been an increase in incidents of gang activity, specifically extortion, shootings, murder.
Gunshot in my lord, gunshot in. No play with nobody, gunshot are flesh and blood in. Then gunshot in my when gun a fireman is terrible, it's nice man. You wonder where or what that go on, sir.
The gang warfare has been ongoing since 2018. 13 people were killed then. Since 2019, 3 people have been killed and the residents are fearful. Some say armed thugs have been raiding their homes and making demands in plain sight. Thursday's security forces operation has brought relief.
Well, we have been welcomed. Obviously, any area that is plagued by crime and violence will welcome the presence of the security forces. And at this point, residents, of course, they are curious and they are concerned, but they've also been welcoming, and we just want to reassure them that as long as we are here, we will conduct ourselves in a very professional manner.
But did the Jamaica Defense Force wait too long to intervene?
While there may not have been one specific incident, there has been growing incidents over the past couple of months, and we decided to act today.
With a lot of ground to cover, it seems the security forces will have a tough job restoring order. But according to Major Jarrett, the operation is off to a good start.
We have been here since about 5 this morning, conducting a number of searches and patrols in the area. At this point, my information is that we have detained about 18 to 20 men, 4 of which are suspected to be gang members.
So we hail our gods.
But one resident in a section of Bull Bay called Bobo Hill wants the government to intervene.
So we need some attention from the government of Jamaica, because they not pay no attention, you know. Everybody running around. All incidents we are here, from here, them not come up here, come investigate.
Until then, persons are being asked to help the security forces by calling the JDF tip line at 837-8888 to give information. Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.